Hello once again guys, and welcome to part 4 of our project, which is the construction of 3-story multi-purpose building. Kung maaalala nyo sa last video natin sa part 3, so hindi kami nagtrabaho nun dahil masungit yung panahon at nag-uulan, and after a month, ito na yung accomplishments namin, yung mga natapos namin. This is the part 4. And here it is, buo na yung ground floor niya. So nakapagbuhos na rin kami ng slab, and as you can see, may mga kabayan sa loob na nakatukod. So hindi pa namin siya tatanggalin dyan, mga after 10 days pa. And let's go over on this side. Kung makikita nyo, nagtayo na rin kami ng scaffold hanggang second floor. And as you can see from this angle, ito yung second floor niya. So pinaprepare na rin namin siya. And let's go take a look. Akit tayo sa taas. So ito nga pala yung loob ng first floor. So hindi pa natin siya mapapasukan kasi marami pang nakatukod na kawayan. Nakapagbuhos na nga rin pala kami ng stairs hanggang second floor and kalahati ng stairs papuntang third floor. Hanggang dito lang muna yung stairs niya, so itutuloy pa yan kapag nakapagbuhos na kami ng slab or flooring ng third floor. This is the second floor, and yung mga poste dito nabuhusan na namin. So next step namin is preparation ng slab, then pagpoporma ng mga biga or beam, then magbubuhos na ulit kami. So marami-raming bakal pa rin yung kailangan namin para sa slab ng second floor. And by the way, ito yung comfort room. So ito nga pa ng building na to, yung 3-story. So wala siya laman, as in multi-purpose lang siya, yung function hall. Pero itong second floor, ang alam ko, lalagyan to ng bilyaran. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Facebook. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Rangewear TV. Thank you so much, and God bless.